So imagine this. You get paid just to talk to people. That's it. No editing, no products, no brand deals, just being friendly. There are websites like rentafriend.com where people literally hire someone just to chat, play a game with them online, or keep them company while they work. It's all platonic, strictly professional, nothing sketchy, and some creators are earning anywhere from $20 to $35 an hour just for being available. And listen, with so many people feeling isolated, lonely, stressed, or burnt out, the demand is rising. You're not selling your face. You're not selling anything physical. You're simply selling connection. And in 2025, connection is currency. And the best part, if you've ever been that therapist friend, the person that listens well to others, to tell me your entire life story kind of friend, then you've already been doing this thing just for free. So why not get paid for it? Now let's talk about income stream number 2, and that's reviewing unsigned music. Yes, really. This one will feel like a dream if you're the type of person who has a playlist for everything. Driving, cleaning, cooking, overthinking, healing your inner child, you name it. There are platforms like slicethepie.com and playlistpush.com that will literally pay you just to listen to new music and say what you think about it. It's like a review. You're not producing any music. You're not mixing music. No, you're not doing anything like that. You're not even promoting music. All you are doing is just listening and giving feedback and your opinion. Think about how wild that is. You curl up on your sofa, you put on your headphones, and money starts rolling in while you're vibing to artists you've never even heard of before. And guess what? Some of those same artists even reach out to you after you give that review or feedback, because your feedback may have helped them improve their sound. And they may have other projects for you as well to make more money. If you've got opinions, this weird money-making hustle is calling your name. So go for it. Now for income stream number 3. This is selling photos of your feet. Yes, I know. This is the strange one I mentioned in the video title. This is the one your mama must never find out about. I'm just kidding. I know you probably are going to give me that side eye through the screen, though, for this one. But it's a real thing. There's an entire niche market, and I mean booming, strictly for feet photos. Nothing explicit. You don't have to show your face or anything else. Just your feet. Platforms like Feet Finder and Instafeet.com are home to thousands of creators who are earning real money by simply uploading pictures of their feet. If your feet are photogenic, that's a business right there. And you can even start your own Instagram feed page to level up and even make even more money. And listen, before you panic and clutch your pearls, this content doesn't have to reveal your identity. No one needs to know that it's you unless you choose to tell them, right? People are making their grocery money, gas money, monthly bill money, and some are even paying their rent, all from something they literally walk around with every single day, their feet. And don't act surprised. The internet has been weird since it first started. So might as well let it work in your favor, right? Of course. Now for income stream number 4, and that's voiceovers. Yes, your voice can make you money. If you've ever been told that you have a calming voice or a professional sounding voice or a you should be on the radio voice, 2025 is your year. Companies, YouTubers, app developers, audiobook publishers, literally everyone needs voices. And AI hasn't fully replaced real voices. Well, not yet. The demand for authentic, warm, human-sounding voices is higher than ever before. You don't need a studio. You don't need expensive equipment either. Your phone and a quiet room can start you off right now. There are people making $50, $100, $200 per project just for reading scripts that somebody else wrote. And if you stack 5 of these a week, oh gosh, listen, outside income is outside income. By then, the YouTube AdSense program will only be a side hustle if you start this one. Now for income stream number 5, this is walking tours, and this is passive income. If you just like walking. Yes, this one is chef's kiss because it feels like you're cheating. People are strapping GoPro to themselves, walking through their town or city, parks, beaches, neighborhoods, festivals, historic landmarks, and uploading it to YouTube. That's it. No talking. You don't even have to talk. No editing for hours. No camera in your face moments. Nothing like that. Just walking and recording. Some of these channels are hitting millions of views and earning passive income every single month while they sleep. Imagine turning your Saturday morning stroll into AdSense income. Imagine your let me clear my mind walk turning into your let me clear my debt income. And it works even better for people in beautiful locations, unique locations, tourist spots, or areas with seasonal events. Yeah, let that one sink in because it's a thing. Now for income stream number 6, and that's becoming an online accent coach. This one is a hidden gem. Companies like fluencyquote.com hire online coaches to help professionals adjust their accent for business settings. You're not teaching English. You're helping them communicate clearly and confidently in a certain accent. And the pay is incredible. I'm talking about $40 to $60 per hour. Some even higher. All you need is patience, clarity, and a personality that makes people feel comfortable and motivated while they're learning. And if you've ever corrected someone's pronunciation without making them feel embarrassed, this one is just for you, hands down. Now for income stream number 7 is turning your skills into an app. Yes, an actual app. This one is the future, but it's best to get in on it now. Professionals and content creators are packaging their knowledge into mini apps with courses, tools, and community features built into one place in the app. You know how everyone sells ebooks, courses, or digital products? Well, imagine turning your version of that into a mobile app that people can download to their phones. It sounds complicated, but no, 2025 has platforms that build the entire app for you. No coding needed. You bring your expertise, they handle the technology part. And the creators doing this, they are building long-term income. Multi-subscribers, built-in communities, and customers who learn from them on their phone and not just through a PDF file. This is on a whole other level and has a good look for the future. Listen, these opportunities are right there waiting for you to make your first move. Most people won't try that because they seem probably too new, too strange, or too unfamiliar. And that's exactly why they will work, because there will be less competition and more opportunities for you. And if you want more ways to earn money online without relying on YouTube AdSense, remember, I have an ebook, 40 plus ways to monetize without the partner program. It breaks down even more strategies step by step on other unique ways that you can make money outside of the Google AdSense program. If you want to grab it, that link is right below this video in the description. Now, if this video provided value and helped you in any way, gave you some ideas, please subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and meet me in the next video because I'm going to go deeper. And number 3 was only the beginning in this video. Thank you so much for watching. And go make some money. Yeah, use up some of those strategies and get in on the ground floor so that when the competition comes, you will be making money while you sleep. Take care.